I have gotten some really good pictures with my camera.
Oh, good. I'm glad. Yeah, look at them fighting out there. Jordan and Ryan. It's Christopher. Christopher! Paul taking Uncle Polly. Macy throwing rocks at the boys. Christopher. Nathan. Oh, Nathan's out there snorkeling. Beautiful. Now it's a spear. That's a spear gun. Getting. Oh, you got Macy doing cartwheels. There you go. Paul, Uncle Polly. Where's Steven? Steven. And there's Christopher. Christopher has the fish. Oh no. There's a fish right here. Oops, watch out. Heads up. They're knocking down coconuts. Right here. Use another coconut. It's kind of fun.